Miss Teri from the GCLS Swedesboro Library, bringing you a fun STEM project with M&Ms, my favorite. So this is a really easy STEM project. It's the only hard part is going to keep your kids from eating the M&Ms before the experiment's done. So I just took a bunch of water glasses and I filled them each with a little bit of water. And then I'm going to take some M&Ms. So now you can put one in each glass if you want. I would try different colors so you can see if it makes a difference. Because one of the fun things about STEM experiments is that you should have your kids make some predictions. Do you think, what's going to happen when I put the M&M in? Is it going to float? Is it going to sink? Make some predictions. Which ones are going to have the M float, which is what our experiment is, to see if we can get this little M. I don't know if you can see it, but I know if you pick up your M&Ms and you look at it, you'll see an M. So when you put your M&Ms in the water, make sure you have the M face up. So I'm going to put that one in there, and a red one in here, and I'm going to try a rainbow one in this one. So I'm going to put a blue, oops, that one turned upside down, and I'm going to put a brown one, and a green one, and yellow one. Let's see, orange, and put my orange one, turn that over, and I'm gonna put in, what am I missing? Red. So I'm gonna put them all around the edges, see if it makes some kind of a rainbow there. And so put a blue one in this one. And some of them, the M isn't very good on it, so make sure you get one that the M, you can see the M really well. So let's see, I think I'll do an orange one. This one looks like it's got a good M on it. And then set your timer or a stopwatch or watch your clock so you can see what's happening to it and how long it takes for the M to go up. Now, when I did this earlier, it worked really well with the blue, and it was really cool to see the M floating up. So just to let you know, too, when you're doing these experiments, you can try other things after this. You can also try to see if it works with another candy, maybe like a Skittles candy. There's all kinds of experiments. Your kids just like to mess around with them. Now, I just want you to know that the reason that this works is because the candy is water soluble, and that means that it dissolves. So the shell dissolves, but the M is not water soluble. It's actually made out of paper, but it's called edible paper. That means that you can eat it. So that's why it works pretty well. Now, the STEM people had said that for them, it took about 10 minutes to see the first M. I think mine started in 8 minutes. So I'm going to let you go, and we'll flash back on as soon as I see one of my M's floating. All right, looks like I have my first M. I don't know, can you see that M floating? And what I like, this one made lots of pretty colors, like almost like a rainbow. And you can see one of the cool things is the candy dissolves pretty quickly, and it turns all of the water. So like this one turned it brown, and the red turned it red, the blue turned the blue. And this one was almost a rainbow. It kind of got more muddied, I think, because I lifted it up. Because if you move it, then all the colors blend into each other. None of my other M's have come up yet, but that happened pretty fast with the brown one. The blue was the one that worked well for me the first time. And it's really cool to see that M floating. So let me know how you do with yours and which color was your first one. You can let me know how long it took. And then when you're done, you can eat some of the M&Ms. But don't eat too many because we don't want to have a stomach ache. So have fun, and I hope you see lots of M's floating in your water. All right, take care. Bye.